Real men watch anime and ride motorcycles. Here's why.
Don't fuck with me! I have the power of God and anime on my side!
Alright, what's up guys? Mike here, and today we are going to be motovlogging a little bit. So, hope everybody's been well. It's been a couple days since my last video. I just want to give a shout out to a couple of people who helped me reach my my goal of 50 subscribers. Obviously some of the biker YouTube channels that subscribe to me, thank you guys. I appreciate you guys' support and thanks, appreciate it. Have a great day. I just want to shout out to all the YouTubers who also motovlog. You guys know who you are. I can't, to be honest, I gotta remember all you guys' names, but it was about 10, maybe 10 of you guys that helped me get to 50 from where I was at, like 30s, but appreciate you guys. Shout out to my boy BK for being my 49th subscriber, helping me be one away from 50. Shout out to my boy Darius for giving me a couple shout outs on his Instagram channel. And shout out to all my other friends who helped me get past my 50th subscriber mark. So thank all you guys, appreciate it. Give you guys a round of applause. So I'm not going to be going too crazy fast today. Ooh, look, some deer. I'm not going to be going too crazy fast today, but because I'm a couple of days away from doing some let's just call some documentation work, since the DMVs are going to be opening up. So I'm a couple of days away from doing some documentation work, so I'm only going to be riding around the suburbs around where I live, if you can call it suburbs. I don't know what this is actually called, but who cares. So I'm a couple of days away from let's just say getting some documentation done, so I don't want to risk anything or do anything too crazy or drive too fast. But I did manage to get at least one good highway pull, or maybe two, depending on how you want to look at it. Today's topic of the day is, actually you guys already guessed it if you clicked on the video, why real men watch anime and ride motorcycles. So, to keep it real simple, there's 3 great reasons why anime is better than any other type of media. When I mean media, I mean like cartoons, TV shows, movies, stuff like that. I mean, obviously there's great movies, great TV shows, great cartoons and shit, but I'm telling you, nothing beats anime. And here's the reason why anime is just god tier. It's literally just the best. It's literally just a meme creator. It's just literally spanking awesome. And here's reason number 1. Okay, anime has hands fucking down, smack dabble WERKO fucking down, the best fight scenes in any type of fucking media. Any type. I mean, obviously, you know, real martial artists and shit are fucking obviously they can produce content a little bit better than anime can, because you know they can do the actual full movements. Animators have a hard time sometimes you know, recreating full-on body movements, you know, so they do jumps and other crazy things to replicate fight scenes, but hands down they have some of the best fight scenes. I mean, just look at this and this and this. those are literally just god-tier examples. I mean, there's millions more of great anime fight scenes. I'm talking ripping people, just people getting just straight annihilated, sent to the gulag, just never coming back in anime. And that's why I love anime so much. It's just beautiful. Reason number 2 why anime is simply god tier, why it's simply the best, is because of how emotional it actually is. So appeasing to your audience's emotions, showing character development, showing emotional moments is literally something that anime is god tier famous for. I mean, just think about some of these moments. And these. Just simply amazing. Simply emotional, man. It actually makes me want to shed a tear while I'm thinking about it. It's crazy. Reason number 3 why anime is just spectacular. It's because of the music. It's because of how hyped the music gets you. I mean, come on. Everybody who's seen Dragon Ball Z knows. Once those fucking guitar riffs start playing, it's fucking over. Oh shit, my fucking Steadcat's making my eye itch. It's over, bruh. Dragon Ball Z is literally prime example number 1. I mean, literally, who can get away with showing guys screaming for legitimately 15 minutes on screen behind some hype ass 80s, 90s guitar riff music? Only Dragon Ball Z can get away with that, and that's fucking crazy. I mean, there's other animes that get away with it too, but I mean, come on, everybody knows this theme opening.
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was.
And this. And this one.
I am the
So, literally, great fight scenes, are very emotional and appeals to the audience, and literally has beautiful fucking music. I mean, what more is there? What more is there to a fucking great show than those 3 things? Great music, great action, and very emotional. I mean, you guys comment down in the comment section below what you guys think. Is anime the best type of media? Well, when I mean media, I mean like show, or I don't know what the category it is, but I'm just gonna say show, because there is also anime movies. But let me know what you guys think about anime being one of the best types of shows out there, because I really want to know. I really want to know what your guys' feedback is, because a decent amount of people, they just can't get on to the fact that it's the anime drawing style, and they get turned off from that because they're so used to fucking American or other countries' animation styles, or CGI, which I don't fucking get. I can't stand CGI. I can't stand fucking, I mean, American cartoon styles are nice and all, but they're great, but it's just a whole different category and audience, I guess. I mean, plus I grew up watching like Dragon Ball Z, Naruto, and all the other mainstreamers, so I mean, that's part of the reason why I love it as well. But there's just so much shit that comes good out of Japan. Like, literally, one day I have to go visit Japan. I have to make a trip over there. Maybe I'll ride my bike all the way across the ocean, and I'll go visit. Let me stop. So, alright guys, please be sure to subscribe. Give the video a goddamn like. What the fuck is this guy doing? And if you guys want more of my content in the future, you guys need to give me a subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can see when I drop new videos. I'll be sure to include a lot of other great motovlog videos like this one and some of my past content, and we'll go from there.